Okay. I've needed to clean up some space in here in order to make room for all of this stuff. And it's got a little out of hand. A couple of things I did was I had a shelf here that I previously had my brake press on, but it was really not brake press, a shear. I had a 3-in-1 combo, this thing. So I had that on this shelf here, but it was always bumping into that shelf there, which has my air compressor and my vacuum. So I opened this space up, put the drill press there. This is the bender, but that's might be too big for me. And then I put the kick press over here, so I kind of have this like sheet metal corner, bandsaw. Then I built this little triangular, it's not even triangular, it's kind of like a corner thing for some bikes out of my gantry. So this is out of my gantry. My little guy, he wanted that piece there, so I said sure, whatever. Which it might come out because look, it prevents that bike from coming back a little further. My bike, my wife's bike, it's kind of out in the open. It is Tuesday. I will pretend it's Tuesday. So this gives me at least a bit more leverage on this, right? So I have like a full range of motion now that I can actually, do a full bend and full. It's a little bit easier to work with. Might have to round this off. I'll have access to the welder, but I don't really need it. I'll run this line down and around and over to my VFD. You can see my garden hose. I got a garden hose to do the flowers in the front. So a few changes left to do, but it's getting a little crowded. It's getting a lot crowded. I thank my in-laws for allowing me to keep the wood tools over at their place because I needed to use my miter saw and come back and forth for it. But the other thing about this is when this door shuts, let's see if I can. Gorton slow. Yes. This cart kind of tucks in there. But speaking of tucking, so here's the door noise. So it's very, very close to being at the door.